Hey guys, this is Khushbu Singhvi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm sharing with you all CG products available in India under rupees 500. So almost 2 months back I did a poll on my Instagram that what is a budget friendly product for you, and most of you all voted for under rupees 500, and that's the reason I chose this bracket. Now we all know that 2021 has been amazing for all the curlies and wavys in India. So many new brands have come up for curly hair and so many brands have launched so many new products. Though I do understand that many of us are on a strict budget or want more affordable range, and that's the reason I'm sharing this video with you all. Also, we have almost around 60 plus products, so you are literally spoiled for choices. So I'm really hoping this video is going to be super helpful for you all. There is another reason. Many people think that CG is very expensive. I again did a poll on my Instagram and this is what I got. So many people think that CG is very expensive, and I just want to break that myth. So basically when I started CG, before that I had rebonded and permanently straightened my hair for 18 years in a row. With 13 times I did a full rebonding and 4 to 5 times I did touch-ups. So you can imagine my hair health. And when I started my CG journey, I started it really on a budget, and 95% of the products I used were Indian budget friendly products, and my curl health is great now. Also, I just want to put it across, the most important thing is to follow the right techniques. You might use the most expensive product or the most cheap product or whichever product. If you are not following the right techniques, it's not going to work for you. So don't just run for products. First, learn the techniques. Whatever products you have existing, don't throw them. Use them first, learn with them, and slowly start adding products in your stash. Since we're talking about techniques, the next video coming up on my channel is all about CG techniques. All the CG techniques you can use to style your hair and to get these nice curl clumps and curls, and how to get it. So if that's something of your interest, then keep on watching and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So before we start this video, this is the last but very important thing I want to tell you all. Now when you're buying a product, the cost is not everything, okay? Like for example, you have to see what is the quantity which is coming in the product. You have to see what is the amount of product you need to use, because sometimes you need to use a lot of conditioner to detangle, sometimes even little works. So that also plays a very important role on the cost. Then you have to see how effective is the product, how nourishing or how moisturizing. You can maybe check a few reviews online on Instagram or YouTube or read blogs and try to understand what majority of people think about that product. So yeah, that is it. Now let's get started and let me tell you all the choices I have. I'll also be sharing a very mini quick review about each product, so that it helps you to understand what you should buy or not. And I'll also be sharing all the discount codes I have so that you can save some extra money on those products. The first category we are talking about is pre-poo and oils that we need otherwise, like for SOTC and for styling our hair. Now I feel that pre-poo is relatively much easier to do, and we normally have some of the other pure oils at home. For example, if you have pure coconut oil or pure olive oil at home, or pure sesame oil, mustard oil, whichever oil you like and suits for your hair. If you have pure oil at your home, you can straight away use that for your pre-poo. Or you can also use ghee. Ghee also is an excellent choice. Of course, the smell is not, but yeah. So any of these things, if you have available at home and you really don't have a budget to buy a pre-poo oil, then it's okay. But if you wish to go ahead and buy it, I personally love to use olive oil, extra virgin coconut oil and castor oil. Castor oil I use only on my scalp, and olive oil and coconut oil on my hair length and scalp both. So this is one of my most favorite choice of using oils. Now you can buy them from wherever you wish. There are many choices available online under rupees 500. Personally, the one I'm using currently are from Nature's Tattva, and Nature's Tattva have a wide choice of oils, all cold press oils, and literally every oil you can think of they have it, and they are all under rupees 500. So you can go check it out. Now if you're not somebody who's very much into oils and you enjoy using butters more, then you can try mango butter, coconut butter or shea butter, and you can also try adding all of these butter with your favorite oils, like make a blend and then apply it in your hair. All these 3 butters works excellent. Again, there are many choices online to buy. Again, I'm currently using them from Nature's Tattva, so you can check them out there, and they are all under rupees 500. So yeah, you have plenty of choices. Also, I have an entire video on a DIY pre-poo mask which can also be used as a curl cream with little alteration. Again, those products are reasonable and fall under rupees 500, if you have one or two things in the house to use. Now let's talk about the oils that we're going to use for scalp massages, for SOTC, or for styling like LOC, LOCG, or any styling technique you're using. So basically for this you need lighter oils which will not weigh down your hair. So one oil which I love for SOTC and scalp massages is Vilva Hair Growth Oil. It's a blend of some wonderful oils, smells nice, works amazing for scalp massages. I don't get itchy scalp when I use it. It's so good and I really like it. The second oil which I absolutely love for scalp massages, SOTC, and even for styling like using for LOC, LOCG is Lune. Lune is the lightest oil I've ever used. It's so nice, so effective, smells good, and I really love that oil. So that's all we have for oils. I hope you get the right choice in your budget with what we have discussed. And now let's move on to the next category. What I've done is I've divided the shampoo in 3 categories. So that is one you can use for clarifying. The other one are like medium to strong shampoos. That you can use if you are somebody who oil your hair very regularly, use heavy butters, then I recommend this for you. And then we have the mild shampoos. They are for people who wash their hair often, like 2 to 3 times in a week, and you normally have a light pre-poo, you're not oiling your hair heavily, you're not using butters. So let's talk about the clarifying shampoos first, and the first option I have for you is the Pantene Lively Clean Shampoo, and this is a great choice for clarifying your hair. It works amazing for many people. The option we have for clarifying is a shampoo bar from Quintessential Naturals. So Vaishali from Quintessential makes amazing products. It's a homegrown women-owned brand, and their shampoo bars, all the products are really nice, so you can go check out. Then I have another option for you, but this is a DIY, which is the bentonite clay option. I have an excellent video of this on IGTV where I've explained everything in detail and from where to buy the budget bentonite clay, and everything is there. You can go check that out. That's going to fall under rupees 500, and it's a very effective way of clarifying your hair. But there is one more thing which you can do is you can try the Fix My Curl trial size shampoo. They do come with a cleansing shampoo. You can try that. Because you don't have to clarify very often. Normally it's like, once in a month or twice in a month, or for some people it's once in 2 months. So that's gonna last you for a good while. And also if you really like it, then maybe whenever Fix My Curl is having a 30 to 35% sale, which they do have 3 to 4 times in a year, you can buy the full size one that time. So now let's move on to our second category in shampoos, that is medium to strong shampoos. So the first shampoo we're talking about is a shampoo bar, which is from Curez or Cures. I'm not sure how you pronounce that brand, but their lavender and keratin shampoo bar is so good. It foams up amazing. It just cleanses all your oil, dirt, and it actually leaves your hair kind of soft and moisturized, and it also adds a little shine. I don't know if a shampoo is supposed to do that, but I absolutely love the shampoo bar. The second we have are the Requil shampoos. So Requil come in 2 variants. One is the hair fall variant, and one is the dandruff control variant. I've used both. I really like the dandruff control one, especially I normally have that little dandruff, so when I use it, it just keeps it away, no itchy scalp, and doesn't dry out my curls at all. And even the hair fall control one is a decent shampoo, and both the Requil shampoos foam up well and they don't dry out my curls. The next we're talking about is the Best Life Argan Nourish shampoo. Now Best Life come with another 2 variants. I haven't used those. I only used the Argan Nourish one. So this one particularly is a little strong shampoo, but if you have used the older variant, this one is much better. The older variant was very strong. This one doesn't dry out your curls. It cleanses really well, but doesn't leave your curl dry. Foams up really well, but the smell is pretty strong, and I don't like the smell, but apart from that, it's a very nice shampoo. The other 2 variants which comes in this are milder than this one, and many of my girlfriends use it and they actually like it, so you can go check that out and see if you like it. The next one we have is a shampoo bar from Earth Rhythm. It's their Murmuru Butter Shampoo Bar. This is not a strong shampoo, but not a mild one also. It cleanses your oil and everything, foams up really well. It's got a slip of its own, and it's kind of little moisturizing also. The next one we have is the True Frog Shampoo. This is a relatively new brand in the Indian market. So they have a shampoo specifically for curly hair, and they have another 2 variants. All of them are CG friendly. I have only used the curls one, and it foams up really well, cleanses really well, do not dry out your curls. The smell is okay. It retails a little extra than rupees 500, but I'll put all my codes here and you can use them, and then it's gonna fall under rupees 500. The next we have is the Curl Up shampoo. Now this I'm just adding here. I know that this is not under rupees 500. This retails for rupees 575, but they do have 10 to 15% sale on special occasions. So then it will cost you like around 500 rupees. So I just thought I should give you this choice. This foams up well, cleanses very well, and doesn't leave your hair dry. So I just wanted to put it there just in case you want to try it. And all the shampoos I've spoken so far, they last you a very long time because you need to use so little, so they are very cost effective. Now let's move on to the milder shampoos. The first one we have here is the Petal Fresh shampoo. So there are two variants which I will like to recommend. The Petal Fresh Olive and Grapeseed variant and the Petal Fresh Pomegranate and Acai variant. Now I have only tried the olive and grapeseed one. It's a nice shampoo. It's very mild, so obviously if you have oiled your hair heavily, it's not going to be effective, but it's good to use if you very lightly oil your hair and if you are somebody who shampoo 2 to 3 times in a week. Again, the Petal Fresh shampoos retail for rupees 545, but they are always available on Vanity Vegan and Sublime Official, so you can check from there. I have discount codes and you'll get 20 and 10% off respectively. So basically they fall under rupees 500. The next shampoo we have here is the Moms & Co Protein Shampoo, and I've used this like long back, almost 2 years back. It's a nice, decent, mild shampoo. It cleanses your light oil, doesn't dry out your curls of course, and yeah, it's a decent shampoo, so I'm just putting it up here. The third shampoo we have in the mild category is actually a shampoo bar, which is from a brand called the Oil Village. Now this is basically a small women-owned brand, and she handcrafts these shampoo bars. I've started using this one very recently, but it's a very nice shampoo bar. I'm using the shea butter variant. She's got another 2 variants, I guess, and this is a very mild shampoo bar, foams up decent, and it kind of leaves your hair soft. So if you're somebody who wash your hair very often, you will really like this one. Also, all the mild shampoos I've spoken about, they all foam up just little. They don't foam up a lot. So the next one we are talking about are herbal cleansers, and I have 2 herbal cleansers for you here. The first one is from Vasigru Veda. Their herbal hair wash is really nice, so if you wish you can just try that. I know that herbal cleansers is not for everyone, but if you wish to try it, it's a great choice and very reasonable. So apart from the herbal hair wash from Vasigru Veda, you can also try their curly hair mask. It is my absolute favorite. I've used more than 10 packs of that one. So I definitely love it. If you want a detailed review of it, you can check on Instagram. So this mask basically is like a clarifying plus a deep conditioning mask. Works excellent. You can apply directly on your dirty hair and then just wash it off after 20 minutes. So if you have heavily oiled your hair, it will not remove it, but with light oil or no oil, it is perfectly fine. And the second one that I have is from Kalyakesh, which is again a herbal brand. You can check them on Instagram, and they also have a mask, so you can check that out too. Now let's move on to the next category, which is actually a favorite of almost all the curlies, that is conditioners and deep conditioners. I'm talking about these together because you don't always need to use both, so it's better if I talk about them together. So the first one we are talking about is the True Frog Conditioner, and oh my god, this is so good. If you are somebody who do not have very dry or coarse hair, I don't think you will need a deep conditioner after this one. Super moisturizing, have an amazing slip, nourishes your hair so well. This retails for rupees 565, but I do have a 20% off on Vanity Vegan, Sublime, or their own website, 10%. So you can use any of the codes, see wherever it's available, and you can get it for under rupees 500. The next we have are the Requil conditioners. Now Requil have 2 conditioners, the Murumuru Butter one and the Babasu one. Both these conditioners are excellent. The Murumuru Butter one is very good if you have very dry, coarse hair. It's super moisturizing. If you have wavy hair or not very dry hair, you will like the Babasu Butter one too. They have amazing slip, very nourishing. Only thing you have to keep in mind is the quantity of these is 150 ml, which is less than all the other conditioners in this category. So these won't last you very long. But apart from that, I love these conditioners. The next we are talking about is the Best Life conditioners. Now again, just like shampoos, they have 3 variants in conditioners as well. I've only used the Argan Nourish one, and this is really nice. I really like this conditioner. Excellent slip, very moisturizing, lasts you for a good time. My only problem with this is the smell. It is really strong, so I don't like the smell, but apart from smell, they are really nice. Again, you can check the other 2 variants as well and see which one suits your hair types the best. The next one we are talking about about are the Petal Fresh conditioners. Now again, the two variants I recommend is the olive and grapeseed one, pomegranate and acai one. I've only used the olive and grapeseed one, and it's an excellent conditioner, very nice slip, nice, very moisturizing, works great. So you can definitely try it, or you can try the other variant. Again, these retail for $5.45, but as I said earlier, you can use Vanity Vegan for a direct 20% off, or Sublime and get a 10% off on these conditioners. The next we have is a conditioner bar, which is from the brand Oil Village, which is again, as I told you, a women-run brand, and these are handcrafted conditioner bars. Now guys, I've used another 3 conditioner bars before this, and I did not like any of them. They just did not work. I almost thought for curly hair conditioner bars cannot work. So this one is like a new addition. I have just used it a few times, but this is so good, you guys. Now let's move on to the deep conditioners, and the first one we are talking about is the Aranya Argan Oil Mask. Oh my god, this is so good. I've used so many tubs, especially in the start of my journey. So this is a deep conditioner, but I have mostly used it as a conditioner. It works excellent as a conditioner, but it is an excellent slip, very reasonable, a very versatile product, and it's a decent deep conditioner. And if you don't have very dry and coarse hair, it will work nice as a deep conditioner as well. But if you have very dry and coarse hair, and if you're really on a budget, then you can always buy this, and add a simple DIY ingredient like curds or mayonnaise into this and make it super effective. The next we are talking about are the Matrix products. This is the conditioner, this is the deep conditioner. Now these are not entirely CG friendly. They have isopropyl alcohol, but I'm just mentioning it here because these are really cost effective, work great, and they do not dry out your curls. And isopropyl alcohol is very down in the second half of the list, so it doesn't dry out your curls at all. So you don't have to worry about it. But if this is something that bothers you, you can totally skip on them because you have so many other choices. I've only tried 2 variants from this. This is the color last one, the pink one, and this is the purple one, the ultra hydro source one. Now so they come in conditioner and deep conditioner, both categories, but I'll highly recommend that you try the deep conditioner because you can use it as a conditioner, as a deep conditioner when you want. It has got an excellent slip, and I feel they are more cost effective than the conditioners. So you can decide and see if you wish to try them. Now there's another thing I want to talk about, and that is DIY deep conditioners. I know that DIY is not for everyone, and a lot of people don't like to use them, but they are my personal favorites. They work excellent, and I feel if you are on a budget, DIYs are a great choice. So if you want, you can check my Insta page. I have plenty of DIY options there, and see what suits you. And if you are looking for a very simple and easy DIY, then I have a oats DIY on my YouTube channel. You can go check it out. It is super effective, very easy to make. It will just take you 5 minutes, and yeah, I absolutely love that one. There is another one with the modified flaxseed gel label. You can go check that out too. You can use that as a deep conditioner and a gel both, and it works excellent. So you can check those two. Otherwise, you can simply use mayonnaise for your hair. That also works excellent. You can use curds. There are many options. You can go check them out and see if that works for you. Now I'm just making one more mention, which is not under rupees 500, but you can buy it during sales. It will not always be available under 500, but I think it is worth a mention because it's an excellent deep conditioner, and that is the True Frog Deep Conditioner. I really like this. This is ultra moisturizing conditioner. So if you have very dry hair, you're going to love this one. This retails for rupees 695. So if you just want to buy right now, like, you can use my code and Vanity Vegan, and it's gonna cost you around 555. But if you wait for sales, so Vanity Vegan or Sublime have frequent sales, from 30 to 35% off. That time this one is gonna cost you 500 or less. So maybe you can try it in the sales if you wish to. I just wanted you all to know that there is another option which you can try under 500. And there is another deep conditioner which is again for 695. This is a Requel protein conditioner. So if you are looking for a protein deep conditioner, this is again a great choice. This is for 695. You can use my discount code and get it for 555 at the moment. But if you wait for the sales, you can get it for 500 or less. So I just wanted to put these two options so that you know that they are there, and these are very effective ones. So yeah. So now let's talk about the next category, that are leave-in and creams. Now honestly, this is one category where we have the minimum number of choices under rupees 500. But of course, there is always a way out of doing things to fit in our budget. So let's see what are those options. So the first option which I'm recommending, I know a lot of you will not like it, but just putting in there before we go to the market bought options, and that is a DIY leave-in cream. So the oats deep conditioner I spoke about, you can also use it as a leave-in cream. routine. I have explained how you can do that in the video. Very, very easy to make, so you can try that. The second one I have a DIY cream option on my YouTube video. You can check that out. The same one which you can also use as a pre-poo mask with a little alteration. So you can check that out too. So these are two great choices. You can go check them out and see if you are a DIY person and you would like to. If not, then let's move on to our second option. So the second option we have for leave-ins is you can use your conditioners as leave-ins. Now I do understand that conditioners are not meant for leave-in, but a lot of girlies, including me, do so in the start of your journey, because when you don't want to buy a lot of products, you're not sure how much you should invest in, if you're going to follow CG or not, it's going to work for you or not. You know, there are many questions in our mind. So till then, you can always use a conditioner as a leave-in, and gradually, you know, when you know CG is working for you and you can invest, you can probably invest in a leave-in conditioner or a cream. So the conditioners that I recommend that work amazing as leave-in are, to start with, Requil True, especially the Babassu butter one. If you're using the Muru Muru one, you might have to dilute it little with water and then use it. Then the Petal Fresh conditioners, the True Frog conditioner, Best Life conditioners, even Aranya. So all of these can be used as leave-in and they actually work excellent. You have to try it and see, you will get amazing results. The next one we have, I think the only market bought leave-in which is in our budget or cream, is the Arata hair cream. Now this retails for rupees 599, but Arata is almost always on a 40% sale. Like, you can, even if you go check out the website now, you will get it at least every week or every fortnight. You can get a 40% off. So this definitely retails under rupees 500 for that. It works nice. It it moisturizes your hair well, works great, give you a light hold and everything. The only problem with this is it's a little difficult to use. To emulsify it is very difficult. They have changed the formulation 3 times. I have tried all the previous formulations as well along with the latest one, and they have this problem with all the formulations. So when you just put it in your hand, it kind of slip off. So you need to give it a little time to emulsify it really well in your palms. If you will not emulsify this with water, it's not going to work great. So please do so. If you do that, it is going to work decent for your hair. So it's a good choice. Okay, so the next one we are talking about is actually just a choice I wanted to give you all. I know it is not in the budget of 500, but again, during sales it cost you around 500, and that is the Curl Up cream. The reason I'm talking about this, because I really like this cream, and you just have to go a little above 500 to get this when it's in discount. So I just thought you guys should know about it. You know, if you can stretch your budget a little and go over, then this is an excellent cream. The next one I'm mentioning now are basically trial sizes, and I'll tell you why I'm talking about them. Those are the Fix My Curls trial sizes. They all cost under rupees 500. Of course, you have the protein one and also the moisture one. So if you're new on your journey and you don't want to invest the money altogether and you just want to try how a leave-in or their butter is working for you, you can always buy the trial sizes and see. I do have a Fix My Curl code, but they don't give discount on the trial sizes. So you can try the Sublime Life. They give discount on trial sizes as well, and see how it's working for you. The advantage of this is whenever Fix My Curls will have a sale, they do have this 30-35% sale, and that time their leave-ins and also the gels, I'm talking about them together here, will cost you somewhere around 500, like 530, 540, especially at the 35% off. So in case you like it, you have a choice that you can buy it during the sale. So I just wanted to give you that option. So we do have a few choices here in gels, but my most favorite is going to be the modified flaxseed gel. I know it's a DIY, but guys, it is so good, and I have recently uploaded a video on my YouTube channel about that. You can go check it out. I've also explained how you can store it for 5 to 6 months. So you just have to make one batch and then relax. So the next gel we are talking about are the Set Wet gels. Now I know many people don't know that these are CG friendly, but they are. I've tried this blue variant, the green variant and the red variant all in the start of my CG journey. This one is also a very old one. You can always try and see if these are working for you or not. Personally, they are not my favorite, but I know a lot of girlies who swear by this gel. They really like it. So you can always try it and see how it's working for you. The next gel we are talking about is the Arata gel. Now this one I know retails for rupees 699, but as I said earlier, Arata have a 40% sale almost all the time, so this obviously will fall under rupees 500. So this is a decent gel. It's very easily spreadable, gives you a decent hold like day 2, day 3 decent curls. It's not a very strong hold gel, but it's great to start with. When I started my CG journey, this was one of my most favorite gels. I used to get good day 3 curls with this, and I finished I think 4 or 5 tubes of this one. It doesn't last you very long because personally you have to use a little extra. The next gel we are talking about are the Enliven gels, which I'm putting here. I haven't tried these, but I know a few of my curl friends who've tried these and they really like it, so I just thought I should give you this option so you can go try it if you wish to. The next one we have is the super smelly flaxseed gel. Now again, I haven't tried this one, but Deepika, that is Desi Curly, she has tried this and she really likes it. She also have a whole video on this gel on her YouTube page, so you can check that out. And of course we have the Fix My Curl trial size gel, which I've spoken about earlier, because in 30 to 35% sale it does fall around rupees 500. So I think that is it for this video. So if you are starting your curly hair journey new, I wish you all the best. Hope you have a great CG journey. Hope my videos are helping you out, and keep watching for more. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, I'm just saying one more time, do not rush into buying all the products together. Take it slow, take it one by one. Learn the techniques first please, and then focus on the products. It's very important. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.